Good morning, guys. Now, I want to know how many of you got suckered into buying a new car by your CPA at the end of last year. This is probably one of those things that just drives me absolutely insane. Is that, you guys, clients, will go to your CPA saying, okay, it's the end of the year. I've made some good profit. What kinds of things can I do to reduce my tax burden? Okay. The two most common things that we hear and that you guys as clients hear: buy a new car, right? Buy some sort of equipment, okay? Buy a new car, or put money into your 401k. Now, I want to state neither of these is bad, okay? But today, I really want to talk about the car, okay? Because I have literally had cases where somebody comes to our office and says, yeah, so last year I bought a new car. It's this fantastic tax write-off. Kind of. Did your CPA explain that your car should be more than 6,000 pounds? Did they explain that you need to drive it 100% for business? Did they explain that it needs to be purchased in the title, in the name of the business, not as a personal vehicle, as a company car? Okay. Those are the three major mistakes that we see. If it's not bought in the name of the company, you can't take the 100% tax write-off that your CPA is talking about. So if they didn't tell you that, you now don't get the tax deduction. I would be pissed. We've had clients that were pissed. Okay. So I want to back up here a second. Okay. We're not going to go, this video is not going to go way down into detail about buying a car. We'll do a separate video on that. But what I do want to cover here is, listen, it's a new year. Okay. We're right at the beginning of 2022. So for anybody watching this video later, we're right at the beginning of 2022. If you know that 2022 is going to be a good year, last year you had a good year, the year before that you had, year after year, you're getting better and better and better. Okay. 2022 is going to be a better year. Listen, if you want a car, go buy a car. I'm all about it. Buy more than 6,000 pounds. Side note. Okay. But go buy a car, right? Ask your CPA, better yet, ask your tax strategist to make sure that you're purchasing it the right way. But if you don't actually want a car or need a car, please do not go buy a car. Don't just go buy a car because that's the only tax deduction that you're going to get between that and your 401k. All right. There are over 360 tax strategies that are applicable to business owners, to real estate investors, okay, to cryptocurrency people, okay, 360 plus tax strategies. Any of those will help you reduce your taxes, okay? So you heard me talk about two: buy a car, put into a 401k. What about a captive insurance company? What about paying your kids? What about using the master's exemption, right? And some of these, you can find videos right on our channel. Go look YouTube for Tax Goddess, okay? You will find videos on these strategies in our channel. These are the easy strategies, the no-brainer strategies for business owners, okay? There are 360 other strategies, and that's what we do. That is one of the major differences between a CPA who maybe has a couple of strategies in their pocket and says, okay, end of the year, we're going to buy that new car. Well, listen, after you've bought a new car 10 years in a row, you don't need a fleet, right? So, maybe not the best tax deduction anymore. And 401ks are great, but there's better things. Defined benefit plans, okay? Mega backdoor Roths. I mean, you name it, there are better options. So let me phrase it this way, guys, okay? And I'm sorry to kind of go on a little bit of a rant today, all right? If your CPA at the end of last year told you to buy a car or put money into your 401k and you're looking for a better option, there's something else better out there, please call us. Call Tax Goddess. Set a meeting with my team. There are better options, 360 plus of them, okay? So this is our job. This is what we love to do. I just realized this number down here, we'll have to update that. But guys, this is what we do. We use those 360 strategies to save people millions, hundreds of millions of dollars. Okay. So reach out to us. We'd love to help you. Tax strategy is definitely my favorite. It's the favorite for our company. We are a full service CPA firm as well. So if you're not happy with your CPA who told you to buy that car, okay? If you need taxes, bookkeeping, payroll, we now do payroll, entity formations, anything related to a business, setting up a business, starting from scratch, opening new businesses, buying new rental properties, my cryptocurrency people, we got strategies for you, okay? And it's not always moving to Puerto Rico. So if you need our help, reach out, taxgoddess.com. You can reach me, you can reach the team. But I did want to say, please, 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 if your CPA told you the only strategies out there are to buy a car or do a 401k, there's more. Don't believe it. Okay. Reach out. We're happy to chat with you and see what kind of strategies are going to work for you. All right. Thanks so much, everybody. I hope you're having a great day. Sorry for the tax goddess rant this morning. All right. I'll talk to y'all later. Thanks. Bye.